The discussion questions are meant for you to be able to post parts of your final assignment with the research that you've done for those parts and receive peer feedback. This week, you're going to be selecting your case study. If you click the link and you go to your case study, you can select from any of these. You're going to select this case study, one of the case studies, and that is what you're going to use for the 8 weeks. Now, in your discussion question, you are asked to state the primary issue in the case and the issues that go beyond the issues that are already stated in the case itself and look below that. For instance, the first case, we are Market Basket. They're discussing about a strike that happened within the corporation, and as they look at that strike, what else happens? What else is causing? What is the strike causing? Is it a goods deliverable of goods? Is it services? What issues from an operations perspective is that strike causing? So take a look deeper, read into case study parts and pieces of whichever one you choose, and try to figure out what is happening beyond the strike or what is happening beyond the safety issue that we have with one of the other ones. So look beyond, give yourself a chance to reflect, and then you're going to write that part. You're going to kind of put a rough draft in the discussion, and then you're going to give peer feedback. And in the peer feedback, state something they do well, but also get your peers to try to reflect on something. So leave them questions as well. We're not looking at binary, this is right, this is wrong. We want to say, okay, this was a good idea. Have you thought about it from this perspective? Things like that. So peer feedback is to include both your thoughts on your peers' insights into the primary issue and at least one area to give further consideration. So I want you to stay away from this is right, this is wrong, and help people reflect more, because as operations managers, life is very rarely binary. It's usually very gray, and we have to be comfortable working within that gray area and making decisions.